Have you ever heard someone say, "Don't be scared"? Well, sometimes a little fear is actually smart, because whatever you stop fearing can slowly become your weakness. Fear doesn't mean panic. Fear doesn't mean stress. Fear means respect. It means you care enough about your opponent, your challenge, or your goal to study it, learn it, and prepare for it. Think about it like this. If you're walking through a forest, you don't scream and run just because there might be a snake, but you do watch your step. You pay attention, you stay ready. That's fear being used the right way. The real danger comes when you stop caring, when you get so confident, so relaxed, so sure that nothing can beat you. That's when something can sneak up on you. Your enemy, whatever it is, could be a bad habit, a distraction, a person who wants to see you fail, or even your own laziness. And when you stop respecting the challenge, it grows stronger quietly, right under your radar. Professionals don't let that happen. Professionals stay sharp. They keep learning. They keep watching. They don't underestimate anyone or anything. Even when the opponent looks harmless, even when the problem seems small, they stay on top of it. They keep the advantage. They make sure the harmless thing stays harmless. So here's the lesson. Don't lose your edge. Don't switch off your awareness. Use fear the smart way, not to freeze you, but to focus you. Respect the challenge. Prepare for the fight. Stay awake. Stay sharp. Be the professional of your own life. Because the moment you stop paying attention is the moment you give your power away. But when you stay alert, stay humble, and stay ready, nothing can catch you slipping.